Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini instead of Siri. Gemini offers a more advanced AI experience compared to Siri, integrating deeply with Google's ecosystem. To begin, you'll need to download the Gemini app from your device's App Store. Once installed, you can sign in with your existing Google account to unlock its full potential and personalized features. This setup ensures seamless access to all of Gemini's capabilities. After downloading, the next step is to open the Gemini app and complete the initial setup. You will be prompted to sign in using your Google account, which is essential for personalizing your experience and accessing all features. Make sure to grant all necessary permissions, such as microphone access for voice commands and notification access, so Gemini can function effectively. This ensures Gemini can hear your requests and provide timely updates.
Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. Also, on another note, staying hydrated is super important, and I highly recommend the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's make Gemini your primary assistant. Navigate to your device's settings, usually under Digital Assistant or Default Apps. Here, you can select Gemini as your preferred voice assistant, replacing Siri. You might also configure how to activate Gemini, perhaps with a long press of your power button or a specific voice command. This integration allows Gemini to respond to your usual assistant prompts. With Gemini set as your default, you can now interact with it just as you would with Siri. Simply activate it using your chosen method, whether it's a voice command or a button press. You can ask questions, set reminders, control smart home devices, or even engage in creative writing tasks. Gemini's conversational abilities are designed to provide more comprehensive and context-aware responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.